welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. I have again collaborated with Canga Shop in Florida, and I'll actually be unboxing what they sent me for the first time with you. So Canga Shop is an amazing company that is based out of Florida. I have collaborated with them twice now, and I am so in love with their Cangas. This actually is a Canga, what I'm wearing right now. The thing that I love the most about these Cangas is that you can literally style them however you want. You don't know what to wear, you can literally just throw on a Canga and make it your own. Without further ado, let's see what Canga Shop sent me. Let's first talk about how amazing this packaging is. They have the cutest packaging ever. Ooh, look at what we got in here. Oh my gosh, I love everything. I'm so excited. Okay, so once you receive your package again, once you open it up, obviously you'll have an invoice showing what you ordered, your purchase, how many, etc., and a nice thank you for shopping with us note at the end of the invoice. Also, there's a really cool card that comes in that says, "Congratulations on your Canga Shop purchase. Check back soon for new styles, and don't forget to tag us on Instagram." Make sure you guys tag them on Instagram. They are really amazing with communication with their customers. On the back, it just basically shows you that there's so many different ways to rock your Canga. Okay, and here are my Cangas. Oh my goodness, I love these colors. I'm actually going to surprise you guys when I show you how I rock my Cangas so that you can actually see what they look like. But for the initial unboxing purposes, I want to show you how they arrive when you get them. Packaging, of course, is beautiful. There's something about these Cangas also that have an amazing smell to them. Like, I don't know, I can't describe what the smell is, but it just smells amazing. I don't know what it is. There's a Canga quote on the back that says, "If you're lucky enough to be different, don't ever change. Hashtag Canga Girl." I'd like to truly thank Canga Shop for collaborating with me and for sending me these amazing Cangas. You'll see these in just a couple of moments, and then you also have seen this one on my Instagram. So if you'd like to see how I rock my Cangas, keep on watching.
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we need deep in the dust.